This isn't just a story. It's a testament to what's possible when one embraces financial discipline. And the best part, this path is open to everyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation. This video serves as a guide, a roadmap to financial freedom. It will dissect the common pitfalls that keep people trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress. It will expose the myths and misconceptions that prevent individuals from reaching their full potential. Get ready to master money and unlock a future filled with endless possibilities. Picture this: receiving a promotion, a hefty bonus, or a sudden windfall. Excitement surges, envision a world of possibilities. But here's where many stumble: a lifestyle inflation. That insidious trap that whispers you deserve to upgrade every time income increases. Suddenly the modest apartment seems cramped, the reliable car feels outdated, and those designer clothes beckon with irresistible allure. It's easy to fall prey to the allure of more, but here's the hard truth. Upgrading the lifestyle to match the income is a surefire way to stay tethered to the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, no matter how much is earned. Remember, financial freedom isn't about showcasing wealth to the world. It's about the silent power of financial security. In today's world, individuals are bombarded with carefully curated images of success. Social media feeds are filled with exotic vacations, luxury cars, and seemingly effortless affluence. It's easy for one to fall into the comparison trap, feeling inadequate or envious of others' highlight reels. But remember this: what is seen on social media is often a distorted reality. True wealth is built quietly through discipline, patience, and smart financial decisions. Avoid letting the curated lives of others distract from one's own financial journey. Embrace the journey, celebrate progress, and remember that true wealth is about financial security, not social media validation. The financial world is awash with get-rich-quick schemes, promising overnight fortunes and instant gratification. Crypto booms, meme stocks, and the latest investment fads can be alluring, especially when fueled by social media hype and the fear of missing out, FOMO. But here's the truth: sustainable wealth isn't built on hype, speculation, or chasing the next big thing. It's built on a foundation of knowledge, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't let the fear of missing out lead you astray. True financial freedom comes from making informed decisions, not from chasing fleeting trends. Start by imagining two individuals, both earning the same income. One should be aware of the pitfalls of instant gratification, which can lead to impulse purchases, credit card debt, and living paycheck to paycheck, resulting in constant stress about money. Instead, adopt a mindset of mindful spending. Budget diligently, save consistently, and view every dollar as an opportunity to build wealth. Understand that your financial destiny is not solely determined by how much you earn, but by your relationship with money. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey. Recognize that you have the power to control your financial destiny, not the other way around. Taking stock, unveiling your financial snapshot. Imagine embarking on a road trip without a map, GPS, or any sense of direction. That's what it's like trying to achieve financial freedom without understanding the current financial situation. The first step to mastering money is taking stock, getting clear and honest about where one stands financially. This isn't about judgment, it's about empowerment. Start by calculating net worth. List assets, savings, checking account balances, retirement accounts, the value of a home if owned, and any other investments. Subtract liabilities from assets to determine net worth. The power of preparation: building your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses, a medical emergency, a car repair, job loss, can derail even the most carefully crafted financial plans. That's where the importance of an emergency fund comes in. Think of it as a financial safety net, a cushion to absorb life's unexpected blows. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in a readily accessible account like a high-yield savings account. Start by setting a realistic savings goal, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, and automate the savings so it's effortless. Remember, building an emergency fund isn't about depriving oneself, it's about achieving peace of mind and financial security. From needs to numbers, tracking your spending habits. Just like one wouldn't drive a car with their eyes closed, managing money without knowing where it's going is unwise. Start by tracking expenses to understand spending habits and identify areas for potential savings. Gather financial statements, bank statements, credit card bills, receipts, and categorize the spending. Divide expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. With a clear picture of spending patterns, identify areas to cut back without drastically changing the lifestyle. Unveiling the invisible drain, exposing hidden expenses. Hidden expenses are the silent killers of financial progress. They lurk in the shadows of finances, slowly draining hard-earned money without realization. These sneaky culprits can include bank fees, ATM charges, late payment fees, subscription services that were forgotten, and inflated insurance premiums. Take charge of finances by scrutinizing bank statements, credit card bills, and other financial documents. By being proactive and vigilant, plug those financial leaks and redirect that money towards savings and investments. From spendthrift to saver, shifting your money mindset. To master money, one must shift their mindset as much as they implement practical strategies. Transition from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset, believing in the ability to create wealth and achieve financial freedom. Start by challenging existing beliefs about money. Cultivate a positive money mindset to make sound financial decisions, attract opportunities for financial growth, and achieve financial dreams. Beyond the paycheck, diversifying your income streams. Start by imagining a river, its water flowing steadily towards a vast ocean. Now picture that river suddenly encountering a dam, blocking its flow, restricting its potential. This is similar to relying solely on a single income stream, your paycheck. To diversify your income streams, think of creating multiple tributaries for that river, ensuring a consistent flow of income, even if one stream is temporarily disrupted. Consider the benefits if you lose your job or face unexpected expenses. Diversifying income streams also allows you to pursue your passions without financial constraints. Ultimately, having multiple income streams provides a safety net for a stress-free and secure life. The side hustle revolution, turning your passions into profits. The rise of the gig economy has opened up a world of possibilities for generating income outside of traditional employment. Side hustles are no longer just about making extra cash. They're about leveraging skills, passions, and interests to create additional income streams that fuel financial freedom. Identify what you are passionate about. Determine what skills you possess that others might be willing to pay for. Perhaps you have a knack for writing, a talent for photography, or a passion for fitness. These passions, often relegated to hobbies, can be transformed into profitable side hustles. Monetizing skills, unlocking hidden income opportunities. Beyond traditional side hustles, there are numerous opportunities to monetize skills in the digital age. Online platforms serve as virtual marketplaces for services, connecting skilled individuals with those seeking their expertise. If one is proficient in graphic design, or has a talent for social media marketing, or can effortlessly create websites, these are valuable skills in high demand, and they can be leveraged to generate income online. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients seeking their specific skill sets. The art of negotiation, securing one's financial worth. When negotiating a salary for a new job, asking for a raise, or setting rates for freelance services, mastering the art of negotiation is crucial to securing one's financial worth. Many people shy away from negotiation, fearing conflict or feeling uncomfortable advocating for themselves. Remember, negotiation is not about confrontation. It's about communication, collaboration, and finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Start by researching industry standards and understanding one's value proposition. By advocating for oneself, the chances of securing a better financial outcome increase. Section 5, From Frugal to Free, How to Embrace a Lifestyle of Abundance. To master money, one should focus on creating a life of abundance, not deprivation. Financial freedom allows the pursuit of passions, spending time with loved ones, and giving back. View money as a tool for creating the desired life. Identify what truly matters. Align spending and saving habits with personal goals. The power of real estate. Start by recalling the excitement of playing Monopoly as a kid. Think about the thrill of owning properties and collecting rent. Understand that real estate is a powerful vehicle for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Focus on creating a legacy of financial security for generations. Section 2, From Renter to Owner, Making the Dream a Reality. To make home ownership a reality, start by understanding that the idea of owning real estate might seem daunting, especially in today's market. Begin small and work your way up. Home ownership is more attainable than it appears. Look into numerous programs that offer down payment assistance and low-interest loans. Research the local market, connect with a real estate agent, and explore financing options. Remember, buying a home is a significant decision. Ask questions, shop around, and take your time. Section 3, Beyond Bricks and Mortar. How to explore other avenues of equity building. To build equity beyond traditional home ownership, consider various real estate investment opportunities. Explore the world of real estate investments, each offering unique risks and rewards. Look into rental properties to generate passive income and build long-term wealth through appreciation and rental income. By owning rental properties, act as the bank, collecting rent from tenants while the asset appreciates in value. Consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs, to invest in real estate without the hassle of direct property ownership. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in REITs, diversify the portfolio and gain exposure to the real estate market without the responsibilities of being a landlord. Section 4, Time, Your Greatest Ally. The magic of long-term investing. Start by imagining planting a tiny seed in the ground. Initially, there will be no visible growth. Understand that beneath the surface, the seed is taking root, drawing nutrients from the soil, and preparing for a remarkable transformation. Think of investing for the long term as nurturing that seed. Patiently allow your investments to grow, reinvest your earnings, and harness the power of compounding to build wealth over time. Remember, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, as Einstein supposedly said. Think of it as the snowball effect of earning interest on your interest, allowing your investments to grow exponentially over time. Start investing early to give your money more time to compound and maximize your potential returns. Section 5, Weathering the Storms. Staying the course in a volatile market. Understand that financial markets, like the sea, can be unpredictable. Recognize that markets are prone to storms, testing even seasoned investors. Develop long-term strategies to navigate turbulent times. Treat investing as a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid letting short-term fluctuations derail your goals. Accept that market downturns are natural. Focus on staying the course and adhering to your plan. Remember that history shows markets recover, rewarding patience. Imagine a world where one's money manages itself, effortlessly growing and working towards their financial goals, without them having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. It's the power of automation, a secret weapon in the quest for financial freedom. In the past, saving and investing often felt like tedious chores requiring constant attention, discipline, and willpower. But thanks to the wonders of technology, one can now automate these crucial financial tasks, transforming them from burdens into effortless habits that build wealth effortlessly. Think about it. How often does one rely on autopilot in their daily life? Their morning coffee maker, their car's cruise control, their phone's automatic updates. These automated systems simplify life, freeing up time and mental energy for more important things. The same principle applies to finances. Harness the power of automation with the pay-yourself-first mentality. Automate transfers to savings, investment, and retirement accounts as soon as one gets paid. Prioritize financial well-being by treating savings goals like non-negotiable expenses. Consistently build wealth, even in small amounts. Treat savings and investments with the same commitment as rent or mortgage. Pay oneself first to control money, avoiding impulse purchases. Section 3. Building your financial fortress. Protecting your wealth for the future. Mastering money isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about protecting what has been built. Just as one wouldn't leave their home unlocked or their car running unattended, it's essential to safeguard financial well-being from potential risks and unforeseen circumstances. This involves taking proactive steps to protect assets, manage risks, and ensure that the financial foundation remains strong, regardless of what life throws one's way. Think of it as building a financial fortress, a secure and resilient structure designed to withstand the storms of life. Start by assessing insurance coverage. Ensure there is adequate health insurance, disability insurance, and life insurance to protect oneself and loved ones in case of unexpected events. These insurance policies act as safety nets, providing financial support when needed most. Section 1. The power of embracing delayed gratification. In today's world of instant gratification, it's important to learn how to delay desires. To start, recognize that entertainment is just a click away. Understand that food cravings can be satisfied in minutes with delivery apps. Acknowledge that the "I want it now" mentality can affect financial habits. Practice saying no to instant gratification to achieve true financial freedom. Learn to say no to immediate desires, such as an expensive vacation that isn't affordable. Each time you say no, you're investing in your future self. Recall the feeling of wanting something unattainable. Now imagine having the means to get what you want. This is the power of delayed gratification. Section 2. Small wins, big rewards. The compounding effect of financial discipline. To achieve financial freedom, focus on accumulating small wins daily, monthly, and yearly. Consistently invest in the future, even if the actions seem insignificant. Save that $100 instead of spending it on a night out. View it as a seed that, when nurtured through smart investments, can grow exponentially over time. Leverage the magic of compounding to turn small, consistent actions into a formidable force for wealth creation. Recognize the power of small, consistent efforts. Just as a single raindrop contributes to a mighty river, daily financial choices, no matter how small, shape financial destiny. Section 3. Your financial freedom starts now. Take action and claim your future. Begin by understanding the blueprint, the roadmap to financial freedom. Learn about the pitfalls to avoid, the strategies to implement, and the mindset shift required to achieve lasting financial security. Remember, knowledge without action is like a car without fuel. It will get you nowhere. Stop procrastinating, eliminate excuses. Recognize that the only thing standing between financial dreams and reality is oneself. Take that first step today. Make a commitment to the future. Set up a budget, automate savings, or research investment opportunities. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.